In this presentation, we will discuss about the molecules formation again, but it is about the molecules of compounds, that is different atoms combine to form the molecules. So we have an example here where water molecule is formed between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. So we know that atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 8. So here we have just the valence electrons, 6 valence electrons. So 2, 6 is the electronic configuration. So 6 valence electrons are present here. So it is in shortage of 2 electrons. So in order to complete its octet configuration, what it will do, it will form a bond with 2 hydrogen atoms. So this hydrogen will just bond here and another hydrogen will bond here. So as you see here, you can see the formation of a molecule H2O. So we have 2 single bonds which are formed with hydrogen. So since 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atoms combine chemically, we call this as a compound. 2 atoms combine chemically in the ratio 2:1. So water molecule is formed and it is a molecule of a compound because 2 different atoms have combined. So now can you tell me what is the atomicity of this molecule? Yes, it is 3 because totally 3 atoms have combined. So 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So it is the atomicity, water has atomicity 3. Now another example of carbon dioxide molecule. So carbon combines with 2 oxygen atoms which results in the formation of CO2, right? So we have 4 electrons which are shared. Carbon shares 4 valence electrons with 1 oxygen atom here and another 4 valence electrons are shared with another oxygen here, and so it results in the formation of 2 pi bonds, that is 2 double bonds are formed. So see, double bond O, in this side we have another double bond with O, right? So CO2 is the molecule which is formed. It is a molecule of a compound, carbon dioxide. Now tell me what is the atomicity of this? Yes, atomicity is number of atoms. So 2 oxygen atom and 1 carbon atom. So it is totally 3, which is the atomicity. 3 atoms have combined. So atomicity is 3, right? Now let us find out the atomicity of these given oxygen, ozone, neon, sulfur. Can you guess? Oxygen is written as O2, right? So what is it as atomicity? It is 2. 2 oxygen atoms have combined. Ozone, O3. So 3 atoms have combined. So atomicity is 3. Neon is, it will not combine with other atom as it's already stable. So atomicity is 1. They will not bond with other atoms. Helium, neon, argon are the atoms which will have the atomicity just 1. Sulfur, yes, 8. So atoms, how many atoms? 8 atoms have combined, which results in the formation of a crown shaped molecule. 8 sulfur atoms. So the atomicity is dash 8, right? So now this is your homework, but I'll give you a clue. Classify the following molecule as a molecule of element or a compound. Now O2, it is a molecule of an element because O, 2 O oxygen atoms combine to form a molecule O2. Carbon dioxide, 2 different atoms. So it is a molecule of a compound. S8, molecule of an element. Carbon dioxide, again molecule of a compound, 2 different atoms. Sodium chloride, which is stable salt, 2 different atoms combined. So it is a molecule of a compound. O3, ozone, it is a molecule of a element, right? Now tell me the atomicity of O2, 2, right? Because only 2 atoms of oxygen have combined. Don't just see this O. We have 2 atoms of oxygen which have combined. So atomicity of O2 is 2. Carbon dioxide is 3. 2 oxygen plus 1 carbon. So it is total number of atom is 3. And for sulfur, atomicity is 8. For carbon dioxide, again it is the same example given. So it is again 3. Right? Sodium chloride is 1. 1 sodium and 1 chlorine. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2. Atomicity of sodium chloride is 2. And O3, ozone is 3. Atomicity is 3. So please do this again as a homework. Thank you. Hope you followed.